Picture this, a bone-chilling, cold, relentless snowfall, and a nation grappling with a winter of unprecedented severity. The United States finds itself in the icy grip of an Arctic cold that has caused over 50 fatalities and placed 95 million people under winter weather alerts. The South, a region typically known for its warmth, has been hit with extreme temperatures dipping into the low 20s and even the teens. Shreveport, Jackson, Birmingham, and Atlanta, all these places are now experiencing a winter like no other. The highest number of cold-related deaths have been reported in Tennessee, followed by Oregon, Illinois, Washington State, and Mississippi. The severity of the situation is such that state offices in Tennessee have been closed due to these perilous conditions. From heavy snowfall in western New York to freezing temperatures returning to Texas and Louisiana after a brief respite of warmth, the winter weather is relentless. This is not just a winter storm, it's a national crisis that has gripped the entire country. The aftermath of this winter's wrath is as chilling as the temperatures themselves. In western New York, the snowfall has been relentless. Residents have dedicated countless hours to shoveling and plowing, only to see their efforts buried under the next wave of snow. It's a testament to human resilience, the struggle against the elements taking a physical form in the mounds of white lining the streets. Meanwhile, down south, Texas and Louisiana had a brief respite. The mercury rose, a fleeting promise of warmth, only to plunge back into freezing temperatures. It's like a cruel jest from Mother Nature herself, a brief taste of comfort before returning to the icy grip of winter. From West Virginia to southern New England, cities are bracing for the snowfall. Winter's white blanket is set to cover them, transforming landscapes and challenging the mettle of their residents. Snow, beautiful yet harsh, is a reminder of nature's dual nature, its capacity for grandeur and its indifference to human comfort. But the human spirit doesn't falter easily. The end of next week promises a respite. Warmer temperatures are anticipated, a light at the end of this wintry tunnel. New York City is expected to reach a balmy 37 degrees, with Boston soon to follow suit. St. Louis and Chicago too are set to break free from the teens, reaching highs in the 30s and low 40s. It's a war against the weather, and the nation is fighting back. But what if these extreme weather conditions are not just a one-off event? Recent patterns have led some scientists to believe that climate change, particularly rapid warming in the Arctic, is playing a significant role in the increasing occurrence of extreme cold weather. The world, while experiencing record-breaking heat due to climate change, still witnesses instances of intense cold weather. So, how does this happen? It's a complex interplay involving the jet stream and the polar vortex. The jet stream, a fast-moving air current in the atmosphere, can bring cold air south when it swings southward. On the other hand, the polar vortex, a belt of strong winds around the North Pole, can cause cold air to spill out when it gets disrupted. Some scientists argue that Arctic warming weakens these two, leading to more frequent winter extremes. However, this theory is not universally accepted. There are those who believe that these extreme cold events can be attributed to normal weather variability. It's clear that more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind these extreme cold spells. Yet one thing remains certain: climate change is having an impact on our weather systems, often in ways that are hard to predict or understand. And this brings us to a pressing question. If these extreme weather conditions are indeed linked to global warming, what does that mean for our future? As we brace for the challenges of this winter, we must also confront the larger issue at hand, the changing climate and our role in it.